Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have half a free-range chicken here, cut into big chunks. I'm going to make sesame oil chicken, 麻油鸡, one of my most favorite chicken of all. I have a lot of bentong ginger here, sliced up. Then we will need some Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, premium light soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, and also sugar. So first of all, we are going to give it some oil. We're going to saute the ginger. I'm mixing, this is normal vegetable oil plus sesame oil here, so that it doesn't get bitter too easily. If you saute the sesame oil by itself, it can be quite bitter, yeah? Then we put in the ginger. And let's saute the ginger until it is brown a little bit, yeah? So that you get a very nice aromatic ginger and sesame oil flavor. It wouldn't take a long time, yeah? Probably about a minute or so. We'll come back shortly. Once you start seeing the ginger started to curl out, you can then put in the chicken, yeah? Let's give it a few stir. I'll give it some Shaoxing wine. Some oyster sauce. Some light soy sauce. Some dark soy sauce for the color. Let's give it a few stir before I add in the water. Here's some filtered hot water here. Let's give it some fine salt. Some fine sugar. And let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, take out the lid, cover it, tune down to medium low, and let it cool for approximately 15 minutes. Then it should be ready. This is coming to about 14 minutes. You can see the sauce has reduced by itself. Almost done. Right before serving, let me give you some sesame oil. A bit of Shaoxing wine. Few dashes of white pepper. Let me off the fire and give it a bit of starch solution here. All right. There you go. So here's my very simple sesame oil chicken for my family tonight. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.